Welcome back, interns. We are continuing on our mission to create a very cool chess set. I hope you've had a chance to experiment with that revolve command a bit. There's a lot of really cool things that you can do with that. We have some pieces made now. Here's a pawn that I made in the previous example, in our previous video. There's a chessboard on Google Classroom that you can download and use to put all your chess pieces on. And this is going to show you how to assemble all your chess pieces. So from this point, if you're in Autodesk Inventor, go to the My Home tab at the bottom, and we're going to open up a new assembly window. So in my assembly, if you recall, we always go to the upper left when we start a new window in Autodesk, and in an assembly page, that button we look for is called Place. So I click Place. I'm going to look for that chessboard that you just downloaded. I click once, it should appear on the screen. I'm going to right click and say OK. I'm going to turn this a little bit, give me a better view of what I got going on. That's not too bad. And then I'm going to go find the pieces that I made. I can do these one at a time. The one piece that I made in the previous video is Pawn 2016. There it is. And there are a number of pieces, a number of pawns in a chess set. So you're going to put as many as you need on there. And when you're done, you're going to right click your mouse and say OK. And you'll have a bunch of your pawns waiting for you. To assemble them, we click the Constrain button on the top toolbar. This is fairly simple. We click the bottom of the pawns. You should get an arrow, and the bottom of the pawn should turn red. Then you know you've selected that whole side. And then I put it in the right square where I want it. If that's correct, I press Apply. If it's not, I click Cancel. That looks good. And then I go on to the next one. Bottom of the pawn, next square, Apply. Bottom of the pawn, next square, Apply. Bottom of the pawn, square, Apply. Once I'm done, I can exit out of this little window. If I need to move them, they're still movable. So I can kind of slide them in the middle of the squares they're supposed to be. And once you have all your pieces on the chess set, save that assembly, and we'll turn it in together as a class.